Today we are unboxing TCL20L Plus. Some highlights of this phone are: it comes with a 64 megapixel camera, it has a 6.6-inch FHD Plus display, has a large 5000 mAh battery, and it comes with Android 11. This variant is black/grey in color, having a 6GB RAM and a 256GB internal storage. This phone supports GSM bands such as 850, 900, 1800 and 1900 MHz. Other CDMA and LTE specs as shown in this screenshot. The phone is manufactured in China. Upon opening the box, we are greeted with a carton containing SIM tool, a product manual, and a flexible and transparent back cover. The phone is shrouded in a butter paper. The display has an embedded 16 megapixel front end camera placed at the top center. Typical volume rocker keys here, and a hybrid power button with fingerprint sensor. The backside has 4 cameras, that is a 64 megapixel lens, an 8 megapixel wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing lens. The back has a matte finish offering a decent grip. We have USB-C port, speaker grills and mic grills. Accessories include an in-ear headset, a USB-C cable, and an Australian standard charger. It takes a minute or two during the first boot. The only complaint that I have with this phone is that with the 64MP high pixel mode, the camera is laggy, but there is a standard mode which takes photos at 16 megapixel and that is snappy. That sums up this video. Thanks for watching.